What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited about today's video. I am going to be doing live eye swatches of the brand new Natasha Denona Pastel palette. I got it off the Natasha Denona website pre-sale. So I am so excited about this. Here is what she looks like. I mean, a colorful palette plus Natasha Denona shadows, like, how can it get any better? So I'm also going to be doing a look, but that will probably be a separate video because I don't want it to be too long. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so the first color is Tulle, and not like that guy's a tool, but like the fabric Tulle, Tulle, and it's kind of like a light pinkish. So yeah, let's get started. Ooh, I'm gonna like this color. This will be a really pretty transition color. Okay, I was expecting it to be a little bit darker, but I really like it. Okay, so there is Tulle. So that's obviously, you know, something I would use as a transition shade, not on my lid, but it is a very beautiful color. All right, next is Illusion. And this is a shimmer. It looks like it might have a little bit of duochrome to it. Oh, I think it does. I see pink in there. Okay. So with the shimmer shades, I'm going to be putting them on dry first, and then I will go in with some Fix Plus. This doesn't seem like her typical like shimmer formula, but it still is very nice. Yeah, there's metallic, duochrome, and chroma crystal eyeshadows. It doesn't say which is which though. Okay, so here is dry. I'm starting to get a little patchy with the Fix Plus. I don't know if that's one I would use Fix Plus with, to be honest. And you can't really see the pink shift as much as I was hoping you could. But that is Illusion. I'm gonna put some powder down to catch any fallout. That looks sexy. Okay, so next is Mint Frost. This is like a metallic green. Ooh, that is really pretty. It kind of reminds me of the shadow I was actually wearing last night at work from a Natasha Denona 5-pan palette that I got from BoxyCharm. I forget the name of it, but it has like a yellow and a mint green. Okay, so this is Mint Frost dry. Now let's spray it. Okay, yeah, that gave it a little bit extra metallicness. Okay. Next we have Bora, which looks like a matte purple. Oh, what a pretty color. It's more like a lilac. Well, yeah, these are pastels. Oh, I love pastels. And it looks darker in the pan than it does on the eye, which I'm happy about. Oh, that's really pretty. All right, that is Bora. I just opened my door to my mailman with 2 different eyeshadows and all this powder under my eyes. It's probably like, okay, weirdo. All right, the next shadow I'm probably most excited for out of all of them, and it's called Dainty. And it's like a pinkish purple metallic. Yes. Oh yeah, this is right up my alley. Okay, so here is Dainty without any Fix Plus. Oh yeah. These are the shadows that the Fix Plus is made for. Stunning. All right. Next we have Brisk, which is like a pastel green. And that would be a pretty transition color if you're using like one of the green metallics or even the yellow. It's very light, but it's a very pretty color. All right, that was Brisk. Okay, next we have Adriatic, which is a shimmer green. Ooh. Okay, here is Adriatic without any Fix Plus. That's super pretty. All right, here it is with some Fix Plus. Next, we have Starlet. Now this looks like it might be a duochrome. Oh yeah. Oh, that's definitely a duochrome, and it's gorgeous. It's like a pink with like gold and maybe a little orange. Ooh. All right, that's Starlet without Fix Plus. Oh yeah. Wow. Oh. And here it is with Fix Plus. Okay, so the palette is available now on Beautylish and Sephora. I wanted to pull up the colors so I could be able to tell you which ones are duochrome, etc. So it is available now, and the price was $65. So the first color that we tried, Tulle, is described as a matte bubblegum pink. The next one, Illusion, is a duochrome sheer pink peach. Next, Mint Frost is a sparkling metallic icy turquoise. Then Bora is a matte medium lilac. Ooh, I was right on the money with that. Dainty is a duochrome sparkling pink with golden champagne. Oh, I was pretty close with that. All right, next, Brisk is a matte pastel mint. And Starlet is a coral pink with golden peach. I was pretty close on that one too. All right, so the next one is Bellini, and it is described as a pastel peach. And this would be another good transition shade. It's really pretty. Okay, there is Bellini. Next, we have Bubble. And this is described as a matte pastel cornflower. Yeah, I would have never used cornflower to describe it. Okay. Oh, that is so pretty though. Oh, I would so just wear this on the lid. It is such a pretty color. Oh, look at that, blue and orange. It's my alma mater colors. Go Gators. University of Florida. Oh, I really like that. So that is Bubble. Okay, so next is Limosella, and it is described as a metallic icy pastel yellow. That is a gorgeous color. It is reminding me a lot of that one palette though. I'm gonna have to go get it and compare the green and the yellow shades to the ones in here. So let's see what it's like with some Fix Plus. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Let me go get that palette. Okay, here is the palette that I'm talking about. It's called the Jubilee Palette. So, wow, they look really similar. Oh, that's because they are. They're the exact same shade. And so is this one. What the fuck? I am not happy about that. They're the exact same shades, name and everything. Yep, they're exactly the same. I'm not very happy about that. All right, let's move on to the next shade, which is Duet. And it is described as a duochrome lilac teal. Okay. Oh, wow. I can definitely see the duochrome. Okay, here is Duet without Fix Plus. Yeah, now you can really see the duochrome. Oh man, poor eyes are burning. Okay. I'm really mad about that. I don't even know what your guys' thoughts are about that. Like, I know I'm pretty sure the Natasha Denona palettes that come in BoxyCharm are like specifically made for BoxyCharm. But why would you put 2 of those shades in a new palette? Especially when there's a lot of people that do get BoxyCharm. Alright, the last 3 shades are matte. So the next one is Airy, and it is described as a matte pastel sky blue. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. It's almost like kind of like a periwinkle, but no, I guess it is more sky blue. I would also just wear this on the lid too. It's so pretty. Okay, that's Airy. Next is Zest, which is described as a matte pastel lime. Well, that's definitely a lime, and it's pretty vibrant too. The color can be hard to make show up, but she did it. Okay, that is Zest. And then we have one more color. Okay, so the last color is Feather. And it's described as a pastel lavender pink. So this looks like it'll be another good transition shade. Ooh, that's really pretty. Yeah, that's really pretty. Okay, Feather. Okay, I was super happy with the palette until I realized that there's 2 colors that I already have. At first I thought they were similar, but then I'm putting them on my eyes and I'm like, because I literally just wore Mint Frost last night at work. And I'm like, I swear this looks like what I just wore. Wow, that's really shitty. But I mean, the other colors are beautiful. I'm gonna have to create some looks and play with it some more. I'll probably end up keeping it, but I just really wish she would have put some other 2 different colors in there than those ones. Yeah, tell me your feelings about that down in the comments below. All right, well, I hope that these eye swatches helped you get a better picture of what this palette is like and what these shadows are like. And yeah, don't forget to keep an eye out for my video where I do some looks with it. All right, guys, I will see you next time. Bye.